One of the most memorable moments of my recent Disney cruise was getting to go to the Palo Brunch. This happens at the grown-ups only restaurant, Palo, on certain days. In this video, we're going to be talking about all the amazing food, both on the menu and at the buffet. So hopefully you're hungry. Some of the first things you'll notice as you enter Palo is that this is even a step above the standard rotational dining rooms, with decor that has an Italian flair. On all 4 Disney ships, Palo is located in the aft, with beautiful views of the ocean.
Brunch menu, all the hot food is in the menu. You can order from the menu, and the same time we have buffet as well. I will take you for a quick buffet tour.
Okay.
So I get your drinks first, then we go for a buffet tour. Yeah?
Awesome, thanks.
You.
The Palo Brunch includes both menu items and a buffet. Before we take a tour of the buffet, here's some of the items that are in the menu that you can order from the kitchen that are fresh and hot. The Palo Brunch includes a complimentary mimosa or Italian sparkling wine. Since my friend and I don't drink alcohol, our server happily gave us sparkling apple cider. In just a little bit, we'll show you what we ordered from the menu. But first, let's join our server on a tour of the buffet.
We have 4 different sections. It's all buffet. You can go many times you wish. Yeah? We have some pastries, some dishes on the right hand side. We have desserts on the left hand side. Mostly we have seafood in the middle line. I just want to go to the few highlighted ones. Yeah?
Okay.
This is our Bloody Mary shot, which is non-alcoholic. Yeah? I prefer with vodka, but you know, a little bit salty and spicy. Some shrimp inside. We have 2 types of tuna from Nice, France. This one is plain, eye tuna. This one is a little bit spicy. Yep. We have jumbo shrimp. This is our arancini. Arancini means small orange in Italy, but nothing to do with orange. Basically, it's a mozzarella cheese, saffron risotto, breaded and deep fried. Okay. Yep. Going forward, we have the king crab legs. Basically what they do, they catch the crab, they cut the legs and they leave the crab in the water again, their legs grow up again. So that's why crab legs are cheaper than the crabs, yeah. This is hummus from Turkey. Even the Greek people, they say it's Greek, but they stole it from our menu, yeah. Basically it's a chickpea, tahini, extra virgin olive oil, garlic and pita bread on top. This is our black caviar. It's a very good stuff, yeah, full of protein. It goes perfect with onion, chives and the egg, yeah? We have a little seared scallops here with chopped onion, tomato on top. It's melt like a butter in your mouth, yeah? Moving forward, this is the special meat, which is Parma ham prosciutto, which is a cured pork meat, is air dried 400 days all the way from Parma. It goes perfect with the melon, yeah, sweet and sour, good combination. This is our buffalo mozzarella caprese all the way from Capri, next to Napoli. A little sliced tomato, fresh arugula, and a touch of extra virgin olive oil on top. It's something light to start with. Yeah? We have some fresh fruits on top. This is our cheese platters. We have port wine, the blue cheese, brie cheese from France. We have gorgonzola blue cheese and the brandy. Yeah? This is our bread selection. We have sesame, poppy seed, the garlic, onion, focaccia bread. If you do like blue cheese, we have the roasted walnut blue cheese bread stuffed with blue cheese. Yeah? This is our frutella. Frutella is a deep fried bread with some Parmesan crisp on top. Yeah? And this one is our, they call king of the cheese. It's a Parmigiano Reggiano, almost 3 years aged. Yeah? You see the big Parmesan shell in the middle, the round one. That's around 36 kilo. Every 2-3 days we open the new one. We cut it from the top and we dig it. That one is actually 2014 April. Yeah, the date is there. The dark meat is the beef bresaola. It's a air-dried beef 90 days. Yep. And this one is a wild boar sausage. Right? Moving forward, the best part of the buffet. This is our dessert section. We all prepared like small portions so you can try all of them.
Yes.
We have chocolate dip, strawberries, traditional tiramisu with some chocolate soil on top. This is the berry cocktail. This jello made from champagne. It's a champagne jello. We use Dom Perignon to make it. Yeah. And then, of course, this is our traditional cannoli. It's very famous in Sicily. Basically, it's stuffed with pistachio, chocolate, and the cream. Yeah. And very important, our magic spoon, 0 calories, 0. This is Hanesty. She's gonna make some homemade special pizza for us, yeah? Right. So let me pass you some plates, you can start it, yeah?
Okay.
And I will meet you by the table and you can order from the menu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There is no rules, you can start anywhere you like, yeah?
Alright, thank you. In addition to the seafood, desserts, and meats, there was also the pastries and breakfast breads section of the buffet. This is where I started, with their famous warm cinnamon rolls. Here is what I'm starting with. Luke's got good stuff too. Thus far, Palo is living up to everything I was hoping for. The sticky buns, the warm sticky buns were amazing. The apricot pastry was really good. All of that has been really good. Luke, what do you like so far?
I'm more about meat first kind of guy. So the aged meat has been really delicious. The deviled eggs are amazing. The artichoke hearts are delicious. The salmon mousse, the smoked salmon mousse is tasty. It's a little bit different. Never had a salmon mousse before, but it is good. Amazing.
I next tried some of the meats and seafoods, which were very delicious. And before you knew it, our menu items started to come out. My Mickey waffle, our margarita pizza, and eggs Florentine. Alright, so the waffle was very good. It wasn't anything extra special other than a Big Mickey waffle, but it was still very good. The pizza, the margarita flatbread, is very tasty. I like that a lot. What do you think about the pizza?
It's really good. I like the fresh tomato on top. Add some juices and some freshness to it. I mean, it's all fresh, but it's really good.
And how was your eggs Florentine?
Good. I would say it's my favorite, but it was there. It was tasty.
Next, it was time for our chicken parmesan and lasagna. Both of these were amazing. That's good right there. Thank you. If I had to pick between the two, I think the lasagna was my favorite, but each of these dishes was outstanding, and I definitely order both of them again. And while we didn't do a very good job of saving room for dessert, there was no way we were skipping dessert. It's all looking so good! Oh my gosh, it's all been perfect so far, and now it's dessert time. So everything I had, pretty much except for maybe one thing, was delicious. I absolutely loved it all. The Nutella cream puff was amazing. All of it was good. What was your favorite?
I don't know. It was all good. I almost all
He did so good. So yeah, Palo, awesome. Definitely make time for Palo. Palo Brunch does cost a little extra. It's $30 per person, but we felt it was well worth it. So many of the items were absolutely delicious, our server was top-notch, and it was a great way to spend a morning at sea. You do need reservations for the Palo Brunch, so do that online before you come to the cruise, or if you get to the cruise and you weren't able to schedule it online, that first day when you board the ship, ask any cast member where the different dining managers are meeting, and you'll be able to go and talk to the Palo manager and see if there's any reservations available. As you can see, Palo Brunch was one of the most memorable moments of the cruise, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a like. And if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, be sure and subscribe, because I have more reviews of both Disney Cruise food, Disney Cruise port adventures, and Disneyland coming really soon. And if you want to see the vlog from when we went to Palo and some of the other things we did there, including me trying caviar and the 400-day aged meat, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all again real soon.